Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we dive into the world of electric vehicles and clean mobility solutions. Today, we're looking at a report by HSBC Global Research that's shed some light on the Indian automotive landscape. According to HSBC, hybrid vehicles have complemented the growth of electric vehicle sales in India rather than competing with them. In fact, they've become a practical solution for drivers who want to switch to cleaner energy but aren't quite ready to make the jump to an all-electric vehicle just yet. Now, you might be wondering why hybrids are still popular when electric vehicles have been gaining traction. Well, it's because hybrids like strong hybrid electric vehicles and battery electric vehicles are attracting different sets of customers. Think about it. If someone wants a car that's more eco-friendly but doesn't need to swap their old vehicle for an all-new one, a hybrid is the perfect compromise. This trend is evident in states where incentives are offered on hybrids, like Uttar Pradesh, which saw strong growth in electric vehicle sales despite promoting its own hybrid variants. It suggests that hybrid adoption is having a positive impact on overall EV sales, rather than cannibalizing them. Now, let's look at some numbers. In the first half of FY25, four-wheeler 4W EV penetration improved from 1.9% to 2.5% in the fourth quarter and 3.2% in QFY26 so far. And it looks like hybrids are gaining ground too. Their share in total passenger vehicles has risen to 2.4% in FY25. But here's the thing. Customers aren't waiting for a perfect solution before buying an electric vehicle. They want value, and that's exactly what manufacturers like MG and M&M are providing. Take the MG Windsor, for instance, which offers leasing solutions to alleviate concerns about battery replacement costs. Or consider the impressive range of M&M's BEVs, which make EVs a stylish choice. Of course, hybrids haven't always been as popular. In FY23 and FY24, they gained market share from diesel variants. But that stabilized last year, despite government incentives being offered across multiple states. The takeaway is clear. While electric vehicles are the future, hybrid vehicles will continue to play a vital role in India's automotive landscape. New model launches and government incentives will drive growth for hybrids in the near term, so it's essential to keep an eye on these trends as we head towards 2026 and beyond.